A model of a skyscraper is made so that 1 inch represents 75 feet. If we divide 75 by 1, we're going to get a scale factor of 75. What is the height of the actual building if the height of the model is 18 3/5 inches? Start by changing that to an improper fraction. 18 times 5 gives us 90, and then 90 plus 3 gives us 93 fifths, and then we want to, 93 fifths times that by 75. 5 and 75 are both multiples of 5. 5 fits into 5 one time, and 5 fits into 75 15 times. 93 times 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 is 40, or 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 more is 46. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 9 is 9. Add them together. You should get 1,395 feet.